sir. I can't get it.
Your data I'll take out again. How many questions were given yesterday?
From here, start.
This is universe one. Where is yesterday's work?
Back side, sir.
Where are
One
they?
answer down here.
Where are others?
Sir, this one.
And where are give reasons?
Give reasons, sir.
Where?
And
Which one you don't know?
Q's and.
Two advantage of parallel. Where is your book? Take out.
Sir, yeah.
Where is parallel combination of cell?
This is resistor.
Sorry? Cell or electric load, same thing. Here are disadvantages, right?
Yes.
Now they will be advantage. So advantages of parallel combination means if one electrical appliance is connected in parallel fails to work, the other appliances work continuously. And different means electric and read everybody. Point out and read. Writing is one matter. Now you must be able to answer. Yeah, this study work. If I have checked your copy, please start reading. Give me. Disadvantage of series combination becomes advantage of parallel combination. Okay, so you have to use that logic. Where's your copy, bro? What is this? These are model questions. Everything is over. Now read. Read it quickly. But there, in this advantage, don't write a series combination. Parallel combination, write. Okay, other they work. Where's your copy? Sorry? Huh? Income, why? Why incomplete? Why incomplete? How you become busy? You go home, earn money. Where's your copy? Are you copying from others? Has he gone to phone his father? You go back. Go back and ask your mother to call me. Complete. Okay. Your improve handwriting, boy. Did you complete all? How many questions paper? The questions are left. All are completed. Read now. Everybody read. Yeah. How many questions were there? Only.
10 questions. Not 11 were there, but
Then why cricket player lowers down his hand ball? First law of motion. What is the answer? Find out answer. Find out answer. Just writing first law of motion is the answer. Because what is the answer? Only because and finish. Now you are in class 9. You must find the answer in the seminar. Were you present or absent yesterday, girl? Why were you absent? What is the application letter? Two advantages of parallel combination means disadvantages of series combination you have to do, right? Use logic now, class 9. Now we should not prepare the food and provide in your mouth. Ready-made food. First think differently and do it. Now you are doing. I will send you back to class 5. If you are not fit for class 9, go back to class 5. Why do you stay here? Okay, please go there. They are not going to wait for you. You are very passive. We have to make ready-made food and provide you. Then only wait. Like this, Arush Khadgi, Anmol Adhikari. Little. During the time of writing, he is so passive. Huh? Okay, now we will continue our work. No side talking. If you want to do side talking, go in Asan. There are so many people. In class, focus. Sit correctly. Touch the ground with both legs. Make backbone straight. Youth pariyar. Okay, first youth work we will discuss. What is here? Give reasons. Whose duty is first? Long questions. Who is that? Sapan Paudel, Ashwin Shrestha, Nishan Bhatta, Viveki. Okay, please come here. Come, yours, come. First Einstein, then who is next? Newton, right? Okay. So get the idea only. And main points write down. People, they will not wait for you. Oh, your document is here. Then. Take this one, Mr. You can start at the top. Will you make a bit bigger one? You want to download copy? Big focus.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you, to our respected science teacher and my dear friend. It's me, Mr. Sai from grade 9. Here to discuss about long question answer A and B of chapter 12 Universe. A number derived that 1 light year is equivalent to 9, right in kilometer, I mean open. One light year, it is very common unit used to express the distance between heavenly bodies. It defined as the distance covered by the light in 1 year. The numerical value of 1 light year is 9.46 10 to the power 12 kilometer. 1 light year is equals distance covered by light in 1 year. Speed of light year into time B is equals d upon t, or d is equals pt. 3 times 10 to the power 5 kilometer second into 365 into 24 into 60 and into 60 second. 3 times 10 to the power 5 kilometer second. 3153 60 600 second is equals 94 60 8000 more time 10 to the power 5 kilometer. 1 light year is equals 9.46 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 5 is equals 9.46 multiply 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Proved. It is in book also, you can see there. B number, define parsec with its value in kilometer. Answer: a parsec is that distance that with the mean radius of the earth orbits from an angle of 1 arc.
1 minute arc.
1 minute arc. Point 1 arc. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year, that is 3.08 time 10 to the power 13 kilometer. And it was only my person. I like to call my next friends Sneha Thakuri to present C and D. Thank you and have a good day.
Very good. What about this? Thank you very much. So one thing, second photo. Okay, Miss Neha, I'll call 1 minute, right? So this thing you have to remember, children. So one thing she has brought here. What is that? How to convert 1 light year into kilometer. Write 1 light year into kilometer. Very simple. 1 light year. 1 light year means distance traveled by light in a year. Right? One formula is there. Distance formula is V multiplied by T. Which formula is there? Distance equals to V multiplied by T. So distance traveled by light means velocity of light multiplied by time. Velocity of light is how much? 3 times 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. In 1 second it travels 3 times 10 to the power 5 kilometer, or 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And time is a year. A year. A year means 1 year. Pay attention here, no side talking. Then 3 times 10 to the power 5. 1 year means how many days are there? 365 days. In 1 day, how many hours are there? 24 hours. In 1 hour, how many seconds are there? 60 multiplied by 60. Now you can write here kilometer. Very simple. This is the speed of light. We have done here. Now a year means 365 days. Now days are converted in, these are 65 days. These are hours, minute and second. We have to convert that time in second. SI unit of time is second. 365, 24, 20, 60, 60. Take out calculator everybody. Calculate. You must calculate yourself. Otherwise what will happen? You will be parrot. Copying only. Did you find how much is it? 3 times 10 to the power 5 multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 60 multiply 60.
So 9.4608 into 10 to the power.
Okay, so show me how much you have got. What's your calculator, boy? Why? I told to manage. Stand up, stand up.
9.46.
He got 9.46. Other, okay, after 2 decimal, 2 digits we can write. 9.4608 multiplied by 12 kilometer. But if the question says convert 1 light year into meter. Convert 1 light year into meter. At that time what to do? 9.4608 multiplied by 10 to the power 12 multiplied by 1000 meter. How much does it come? Children, multiply 9.4608 times 10 to the power 12 multiplied by 1000 meter. 9.4608 multiplied by 10 to the power 15 meter. So you must solve yourself. This question can be asked in 2 marks question. I may ask like this question also. That's how to do, what to do, no need to say like that. You have got calculator, use it. Right? Okay, so that was the presentation from Nistara. Nistara, she got scolding early in the morning. So I think punctuality matters. Everybody must be punctual. So those who come early, do they get this such type of scolding for late coming? They don't come late. But for other things they may get. That's why manage your time. Adhikari is not being able to manage. Such type of people, they cannot do anything in future. So management of time is very important. So you have to be earlier than other people. Okay, so let's welcome on the stage our next presenter from Einstein, Sneha Malla Thakuri. Sound must not be perfect. Obviously, and if you think that is important, we are taking that.
Sir.
You get copy, you take out a copy and copy. Or whatever, right? One minute.
Namaskar and good morning to respected our science teacher and all of you, my dear friend. As you all know, it's Miss Neha Malla Thakuri from group Einstein, and I'm here to present some long question answer of universe chapter.
You have to move up.
Oh, and my first question is, describe nebula as a star nursery. Nebula is an enormous cloud of a dust and gas occupying the space between stars and as a nursery of a new star. Nebula come from the gas and dust thrown out by the explosion of supernova or dying star. A nebula is the region where new stars are born. That's why nebula are subnamed as nurseries of stars. Star nursery. And my next question is, how is star born in nebula? Describe the process clearly. The heart-shaped body is a huge group of gases and dust found in the shape, which is an example of nebula. You can see here, this is the picture of horse-shaped nebula, and we can see the bright dot-shaped structure in it. This is white dot. They are newly born stars in the nebula, and a nebula takes millions of years to be formed, and there is clumps, and that clumps get bigger and bigger. Their gravity gets stronger and stronger. The clumps of the dust and gas get so big and it's collapse from its own gravity. The collapse causes the material at the center of the cloud to heat up, and this hot core is beginning of the star. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So you have to remember, actually, this nebula is the huge cloud of dust and gases, but you must be clear that there is no presence of water. There is gaseous form of different elements, different compounds, right? And what will happen? Gravitational force develops in different regions, and all the matter is pulled towards it. So this whole nebula may change into small pieces in comparison to that, and later on nuclear fusion reaction starts. Nuclear fusion means hydrogen nuclei fuse together and form helium nucleus, and many stars are formed in nebula, or one, two, no problem. It depends how big it is, isn't it? If we talk about solar system was made from one nebula, one star, and other those uh, bodies like planets, satellites, comets, etc. Now we have got next group's presentation from Einstein. So who is going to present now? Yeah, which group is that? Oh, Newton. Einstein already presented, right? You are playing with your pen. You can manage one time. Play with pen. Class begin noisy, why?
Namaskar and very well good morning to you all. As your name is Nayan Nagubazo from grade 9, standing in front of you all to present some question answers. Describe the process of formation of a black hole. A black hole is formed when a massive star dies and its core collapses under gravity, becoming extremely dense and compact. This leads to the formation of a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume, surrounded
Yeah, become very good.
Surrounded by an event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape, the gravitational pull of the black hole. The resulting black hole is an object of immense gravity capable of bending space-time and distorting the paths of nearby objects. Describe the role of national agencies in promotion of astronomy in short. National agencies play a vital role in promoting astronomy by providing funds, infrastructure and resources for research and education in the field. They can fund research projects, build and operate observatories, support education and outreach efforts, collaborate with international partners, develop space missions, and support technology development. Through these efforts, national agencies help advance our understanding of the universe and inspire the next generation of astronomers and space scientists. Describe the role of international agencies in promotion of astronomy in short. International agencies play an important role in promoting astronomy by coordinating global efforts, developing major projects, facilitating data sharing and access, promoting education and outreach, and supporting international collaborations. Through these efforts, international agencies help advance our understanding of the universe and promote international cooperation and collaboration in the field of astronomy. And these two questions are interrelated because it is the question of agencies. And how do it is the last question, how do the nuclei change into carbon like heavier nuclei? Explain. The triple alpha process is the fusion of three nuclei and results in the formation of a carbon nucleus. This occurs in stars that have exhausted their hydrogen fuel, and the process involves the formation of a beryllium 8 nucleus from two helium nuclei, which then fuses with a third helium nucleus to form a carbon 12 nucleus. The process requires high temperature and is crucial for the production of heavier elements in the universe. Saying this much, I like to conclude my presentation and hope for your cheerful day.
Thank you very much. Student, now listen. Nuclear fusion, what to remember? Nuclear fusion is the process in which hydrogen fuses and forms helium, right? But when the star dies, after the death of star, after this means all hydrogen is finished, then it may explode or may not. If the star explodes, afterwards what will happen? Again, those heliums, they fuse together and they form other heavier elements like carbon, nitrogen, iron, etc. Second time when nuclear fusion reaction takes place in dead star, in original star, nuclear fusion only, hydrogen changes into helium. But when hydrogen completes, then again when nuclear fusion starts, then helium fuse together, no hydrogen, and forms carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and other heavy elements. Okay, this is the thing. So super, thank you. Wow. She has brought one new term here. Super, thank you. Thank you, Einstein and Newton group. Now it's the turn of Tesla. Tesla, what is your duty? Differences between. So who is going to present? Vires. Okay, Vires is going to present. Vires is also being active nowadays. Very great. So be up to date, everybody. Right?
Namaskar and very warm good morning. Our science teacher and dear friends. I'm discussing difference between group Tesla. Protostar and star. A nuclear fusion reaction does not takes place star. Nuclear fusion reaction takes place It cannot be seen clearly. It can be seen clearly.
What? What is that? Yes.
Okay, please check. Now next. I'll explain. They will check later and you look. Next one, you just read. Yeah.
Red giant and red supergiant.
Yeah. Okay.
It is formed from average star.
Okay.
It is formed from
Massive star.
massive star. Supernova explosion does not
Occur.
occur. Supernova explosion occur black black hole.
Check it.
It is less massive dead star. It is more massive dead star. It is formed after red giant. It is formed after red
Formed,
supergiant,
not permit. Formed after design. Right.
neutron star, and black hole. It is less massive dead star after supernova. It is more massive dead star after supernova.
Recite again.
After the explosion is the remained core it 1.0423 solar mass, then it from neutron star. After supernova explosion is the
Remnant.
remnant core is at star 3 solar
Least.
least
At least. At least.
at least 3 solar mass is um,
It sounds
in
like
from black hole. The sun, the Milky Way, a, a single star at the center of our solar system, a largest stellar galaxy, galaxy containing billion of stars, including the sun. The sun is about 1.39 million kilometer in diameter, while the while the Milky Way span ro- rowing
Roughly.
roughly uh, 1 lakh light year,
1 lakh light years.
nova and
Okay, remaining will be
supernova.
discussed next time. Okay. Thank you
Thank
very much. Again, I will give a chance. Next period also, we will continue. So today we have to complete this topic as well as some work also will given to those late comers. Late comers, they will get some duty. Plus, I have to give lots of works to you. Now, works, works, and works. After doing work only, you will be smarter one. Okay. So, children, now you can start doing your work. If your all works completed, go through it. You read it. Otherwise, you start doing your work. No side talking. What is that? My wife going for it. What wrong?
I will make it story and send back.
You can recite the poem also, no problem. If you have brought poem.
No. I will say speech.
Okay. Children, now don't move too much. You can start now.